Riedo Devara Yusar Yahya. The duties of the Sergeant at Arms are to reserve the meeting space with the proper authorities, make sure that all supplies and materials are properly distributed or displayed at meetings, greet guests and members, and call the meeting to order at the scheduled time. I give you this gavel as a symbol of discharge. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Okay, give applause. Safira Nur Amalia. The duties of the treasurer are to collect dues from the members, send the dues and the membership renewals reports to the Toastmasters International, and pays the club expenses. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Okay, give a round of applause. Fitri Mutia Hanum. The duties of the secretary are to keep an accurate record of the member, submit the officer list to Toastmasters International after the election, and keep the club charter, constitution, bylaws, and minutes. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Okay, give her an applause for her. Yurik Yang. The duties of the Vice President Public Relations are to promote the club to the local media, spread the word about membership programs, and attend Toastmaster events. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Okay, give her an applause for him. Fikwi Siang, as the Vice President membership, your duties are to conduct ongoing membership building program, explain the educational program to the prospective members, and ask them to join, and follow up on new members and absent members. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Okay, give her an applause for him. Astri Utami. The duties of the Vice President Education are to plan successful meetings to help members achieve their educational goal, orient new members to the Toastmaster program as soon as they join, and monitor members' progress. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Okay, give her a Prawira Brahmantio. Having been elected as the president of Universitas Indonesia Toastmaster Club number 011979998, you are its chief executive officer and will be expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of the executive committee. It's your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goal. It's also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, districts, and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please accept this gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to office. The gavel is a symbol of the power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are the member of your team and as a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It's an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thought, and action of all members with the common goal of achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team member to create healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone will proud. Will you, as a president, accept this challenge and perform the duties of the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Okay, thank you. Give her an applause for our